Yeah. Raising the Tobagos, we growing like fresh tomatoes. Them boys on fire, too fuego, we pass it round.
Hey, this is I believe it's a 1971 Skidoo Olympic 340. It's been sitting for, I'd imagine, like 10 to 20 years. It was just sitting in a guy's yard. So far, all I've done is took the windshield off. Here, stuck a carb on there. Got the motor with some two-stroke oil in there for lubrication. Blew out the plug holes. The only problem I'm having is the recoil spring in here it's broken, and I do have new recoil in here. So I'm gonna go look and see if I have another recoil for this. No luck with a recoil. I may have one up there, but it is on a machine that is buried in snow. But that's okay, we'll just do some other stuff on this to get it ready to eventually run. So this frame, what else can we do on this thing? We can check for spark, I suppose, and do a compression check. It's kind of hard without being able to spin it over fast, but we can at least find out if it has any compression at all by just turning it by hand on the clutch, maybe wrapping a rope around there, and putting a little compression tester in here.
Thing is new wavo, I'm with my sweetie like Quavo. Need my cheese, need that queso. Need my bread, need that bankroll. Wake up, yes Lord, I'm thankful. Another day on my schedule. Steady blocking the devil. I tell a hater, God bless you. Cherish moments that special. You gotta keep the memento. If you love me, then I love you, and I can
spin this fast enough, which I'm 99.9% sure this is why. That's the reason. This is showing like no compression. I'll still do the other piston just to be 100% sure. And when I was spinning this, I got shocked. So pretty sure we have spark on at least one cylinder. So we'll just take this out.
Never forget you. Some memories don't fade. Sometimes you miss the old days, but nothing changed unless you change what's around you. How you think, how you live, how you speak, how you walk, how you blink, how you talk, how you teach, how you reach. Let it sing.
Yeah, that's the reason. If I could be spinning this over fast, I mean, it feels. Just turning this, you can tell it feels. It's got a lot of. It feels like it's got a lot of compression when you're just turning it. So I'm 99.9% sure that just because I can't spin it fast enough to get a accurate reading, which should be about, it should be about 120, would be like, that would be like a good number for this to be a really good runner. Have a rebuilt carburetor on there now. Still need spark plugs, recoil spring. What else do we need for this to run? All new fuel lines. I'm sure this tank is just disgusting. It's got gas in it. But yeah, so gas drained, exhaust pipe off the other sled, chain case off the other sled, all new fuel lines, recoil spring. Oh, also need to change the ski, and then this thing will be actually, you know, well on its way to being a good, reliable, just a little ditch banger. Update on the bike is all the plastics are now tightly on here. Still, because I ordered parts from China, and with all the coronavirus stuff that's going on, I couldn't get the new levers, and drain plug haven't arrived yet. Update on the little 125 is still needs rear shock, new plastics, back tire, just everything. Levers, grips, pretty much everything you can imagine. Frame painted, all that good stuff. Also have this little quad in here. Parts 125. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it a lot. I hope you guys are excited about these projects as I am. I'm actually super stoked to get started fully working on this. That's just a little update. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed.
What's your purpose? What's your passion? Through the pain, what's your plan? Is it plane?
On a plane, hydroplane, I'm just playing. What's your purpose? What's your passion?